Hoshi skip borrachd Annan Athletic as na Davila sa seach diog. In thoiseach mar áte fan an burin borrachd vi cúmal Faic agus gemichin cháirteal chluich had na bliana. Han clubber athrathach go mór van nuairsin le arab na fast fat na húne.
It kind of started off years ago now. We were just kick around, just getting out, having a bit of fun. It was your getaway kind of thing. It was having fun, meeting new people, and seeing so many ladies and girls out there wanting to play football and bringing it in together.
I used to stay about an hour away from here, but there was no local teams, so I came up here to join, and I've since moved up this area. Not really for the fit, but for the lassies. Like, I grew a friendship with a lot of them, so I've moved just a few miles out of here.
I just thought I'd find a team and we'd have a kick about and maybe play some friendlies, because that's what sort of did up in Glasgow at uni as well. It was like I played at the uni team, but we just did like friendlies and stuff like that. But yeah, it's been good fun. We're back on like proper pitch for training kit and sort of in a league and everything like that, so it's just gone from strength to strength.
Fantastic, yeah. We started off little, we started off not the best, but we've really progressed in so many ways, and we're like a wee family kind of thing. It's great.
Ha chlabber dar a chorm a horsha clúichterin in spors a had jail a chluich. Agus sòisealtan na clúichterin na Faic go bhfuil dat sa mí cumasach le obair chruig.
Years ago I used to stay in North Wales, so I played football then, stopped for about 10 years, and this got me back into it.
I thought it was just a school thing because there was never anything opened to an older generation, and it's nice that we've got so many ages here, from girls to adults to the senior ones.
We've had a few like 15-year-olds as well, like coming up from the youth side into the team, and they're a great help for us as well, and they seem to be loving it. They're training all the time and just constantly just talking and playing football, which is good to see. It
definitely has. There's loads of young lassies coming through. We've got a good squad of young lassies that are even trying to get into our team now, so it's gone quite far, and our results have picked up, so I think that's making folk wanting to come to the club a bit more.
In blianasa, Hoshi Annan a farpus an áte an a Liga Hún thro season garage a chruig in SWF. Son cushion a clúichterin be seo hiad turus acha an arinach farpusoch. Get the had dulich amnin chan ahri had that.
Very. It's also scary too, I'm not going to lie. Very nervous getting up there and playing, but it's also really good to see other people watching you and being a role model for some of the girls.
I think it was a bit to adjust to begin with, especially players that have never played a match before. But like, everyone's just getting better and better week in week, and it's sort of shown in the results as well, and how much better we're playing as a team and sort of getting together and stuff like that.
It's a shorter league. It's more competitive. A few of the top teams left us, so we're getting a few better results in now, and it's better than being gubbed every week.
Ha bau cosio y mesgan plwy y fast sias y suas yn dwy. Y thors bara chormyn do borrachd is clonian a har son club a lora gyhynadol a is clwch gytrich.
So many clubs locally as well just started up, because Annan was one of the first, and then sort of we had Lockerbie, and then sort of Dalbeattie grew off that as well, and I think the more clubs the better, the more women playing sport as well the better.
It's definitely changing. I used to stay near Castle Douglas. Now there's Dalbeattie entered the league. You've got Nithsdale, they've entered. Obviously Queen of the South, but they were always like the top team. Like if you were out of football for a while, you'd struggle to get into that team. But then Annan, I came here, there was different lassies here, shapes, sizes, and it's been brilliant coming here.
Great laugh, great bunch of lassies. Honestly, we've just become a unit and a team together, and that's what football is about. It's not just about coming and winning, it's about coming and enjoying it and having fun at the same time.
Bí clubichin inadal mar Annan it thors barrachd na gemichin farpasiúla na clúichtear an achga. Se corm a hawn carriage in a hianu a is buin taiche cruach u cola gach shachking.
Yeah, well, I've got two wains, so I didn't really have a social life till I came here. This like brought it all back to me, and it's good fun, so enjoy it.
Yeah, it's good fun here. Everyone's here for a laugh. There's always a lot of laughter, as you can probably tell, going on at training sessions and no matches, win or lose. You know, we're always having a good time.
I would come along for the social. I mean, like even if you don't even want to play in games, we've got lassies that just want to train with us and stuff like that, and we do nights out. I mean, it's like a community-run team. Like we always get involved with everything.
I'm a vet, and then just like having a hard day at work and then coming out and just having a good run around for an hour or two on a night is like great, just to see other people and sort of, you know, have a good laugh and a bit of exercise. And then the weekends, I'm quite a competitive person as well, so going out and playing a match is good fun, but I find it really good for fitness as well, and just a good run around on Sunday's great.
Han clubber mí nach erurdish, a is a could focus an tlí na clúichtear an achga. In jarstjoch a is a les chrug talents and skide. She club at an Annan Athletic had dolvo njarst gun njarst.
Honestly, I can see us going really far, considering where we were last league. to where we are now, it's amazing achievements. So just keep going on, and yeah.
We're lucky that we've got like the men's team and we're able to like play here, and then they've got a good like community support as well, and like there's a lot of funding that's coming in and helping out. But I think we can grow and hopefully win a league. That's probably the aim in the future.